Okay. So, good evening guys. Magandang gabi sa lahat. And thank you very much for your time. Thank you for joining us live here in Unilive. At the same time, live in the Zoom. So, thank you to those guys who are joining the Zoom. And also to those joining in Unilive. Okay. So, by the way, my name is Coach Vic. I'm from the Philippines. And I'd like to share the second star streamer in the Philippines. Yeah, that's my short background. So we can proceed with this Unilive. What is Unilive all about? Okay. So Unilive and there is a Unimex. What is the difference between the two? And yeah, regarding that. So Unilive is actually it's a Web3 global ecosystem and innovative. There's an innovative summit during the time, but discussing Web3 global ecosystem. Okay, so if we start, I mean, all of us may be aware about the Web 1, the Web 2, and this is now the Web 3. So some of us might ask, what is the Web 1? Okay, let me click this. Why is not working? Oh, here we go. So Web 1, actually, is typically the read-only, yung mga nababasa nyo lang po, ano, yung mga advertising, visual, interactive web. Okay? So, yun yung mga, you cannot participate. You are just the consumer. It's like email, it's like a static website. So, those are Web 1. Then around 1999, so the Web 2 come in. Actually started with Friendster ba yun? There's some strongly read and write. So focus on the community. And the Web 2, nandyan po yung tawag nito. Sa Web 2 nandyan na yung itong yung ano natin, yung Facebook, si TikTok, okay? Si YouTube, yan, yung mga ano yan, mga centralized social media and other platform that you can also share content, focusing on community and interactive advertising. Yan, thank you for joining, Kuya Corvo. And yeah, that's the Web 2. So now comes the Web 3. The Web 3, it comes with read, write, and interact. So it comes with this, actually the Unilive is a Web 3. Why is that? Because Web3, you own the link. I mean, you own your data, and there is a decentralized. It's not in the advertising. There is a behavioral advertising. Okay, that's why when you do live, you can promote anything. You can promote your maybe you can promote your mug or something. You can promote products. You can promote whatever you want that you can promote. It is consolidated content. Okay, it focus on individual, and there's also a circulation of like token and gifts. So those are part of the Web 3. So that's the different, and also you own your content. Okay, it's not owned by the company or by Unilive, unlike Web 2, like Facebook. So Web 2, they have to decide whatever they are in control 100%. Okay? So Web 3, okay, this is the description of Web 3. Web 3 is the next generation of the internet, focus on decentralization, transparency, and user ownership. It aims to shift away from centralized control by major corporation toward a system-built blockchain technology, AI, artificial intelligence, and the semantic web, and also includes users having more control over their own data and transactions. Okay? So, yun po yung kaibahan ng Web 2 at saka sa Web 3. Kumbaga, ang pinakang nasusunod sa Web 3 ay yung user. Okay? Kaya, ang karagdagan dyan, nandyan yung decentralization, may blockchain technology. Okay? There's a blockchain. And there's an AI. There is also DeFi and NFTs. So those are some of the things included in Web3. Now, Unilive is a global short video live social platform. Okay, so it's a very simple. We are familiar with Facebook. We are familiar with TikTok. So it is similar to that one, to those applications. So this is in short a this is in short a social media application, but this is upgraded. So why it's upgraded? Let me show you this one. So Unilive actually it comes with a meaning. It's unique. I mean to say unique, distinctive. Okay, you unique you or something like you are. All of us are authentic. Okay, so thank you very much for my. Okay, so who are the people behind this Unilive? So by the way, Mr. Hunter is one of the developer of the ecosystem. Okay, and this is one of the developer also Jackie, and also regarding the registration. Okay, the registration is this one. It's under fixed technology. If you will notice, okay, if you will notice, let me just click this one. Okay, you can follow Coach John, Coach Jello here inside the Unilife. Okay, Fixed Technology is the company registered in Singapore. Okay? So, yan po yung nakaregister. Katulad po ni Facebook. Si Facebook po, ang registration company niya ay Meta. Okay? Meta po. So, si Meta, it's like Fixed Technology, PIX Technology. Si PIX Technology, ginawa niya po si Unilive. Okay? So, yan po. So, active yan. And the good thing, this is one of the reason why I joined Unilive. When I see this one, that the company is not from Singapore, but it is located in Singapore. Okay? That is very important for me because Singapore, when you think about Singapore, Singapore is a very strict country. So it means to say, you are not allowed to do bad things. Because even like what's this? Throwing some spitting or throwing some bubble gum or something like that. There will be a penalty. I mean penalty in when you are in Singapore. So it's a very strict country. That's why when I see that the company is in Singapore, so that one gives me the what's this to participate here. Okay. I forgot to add the map. Actually, there's a map. I think I was not able to include. So there's a map. Actually, the office. Maybe later. Let me check. Okay, let's just continue about the company. So what you can do, you can upload videos for engagement. You can do live stream to monetize and become a star streamer to receive gifts and UNX token from the ecosystem. And it can convert to USDT. So yung makaka-receive po kayo ng mga gifts, mga regalo. Okay, mga token. Makaka-receive kayo ng mga gifts, mga regalo. Okay, mga tokens. Why there's an echo? Pa-mute po muna yung ano. Hello, sound check. Okay na. Ayan, okay. So, pa-mute po muna. Okay, so pangatlo po, pwede tayo mag-restaking. Ito po yung staking rewards. Pwede tayo mag-purchase ng token. Mamaya i-discuss natin yan. Minimum of 30 days, maximum of 360 days. At pwede tayong kumita ng 12 to 25% every 30 days. Then pwede tayo mag-build na community. Okay? For additional rewards. Thank you, Unimax, for joining the live. Okay. So, yeah, we can upload this video. We can upload like this one. They're uploading this video here. You can upload any video you want to as long as there is no violence, there is no pornography, there is no alcoholism or smoking and those kind of stuff. It's actually it's in the when you start the live you can see it in some kind of the rules and regulation. Okay. Okay, so you can use this video. It will give you this attention. Okay, you can see this attention, so they will follow you when they like your videos. And you can promote like this one. Actually, this video is from Sir Prince. They are demonstrating one of their product. Okay, so they're able to sold those products inside Unilive. So it's a free advertising. Then you can do a live streaming. Okay, live streaming 1 to 2 hours daily and be rewarded daily. So it's up to you. You own your time. You can decide when you do the live streaming. Okay. And yeah, so here are some. Okay. So what I did, the first star streamer, Sir Prince, actually he's the ambassador, the first one to introduce Unilive in the Philippines. And the second one is yours truly. Okay. And see here this first picture. So that is when I'm new. So I interview Sir Prince, how he became a star streamer. Then the second picture here, Sir Alexander from Latvia is a Russian. Now he stay in Greece. It's already been more than 9 months doing the live streaming, and the average income per live is about $100 per live. Okay. So I also interview him and ask for some tips how to become a star streamer. So that's one way. It's an engagement. Okay. Ask the star streamers what they have done, ano yung mga ginawa nila para maging star streamer, paano ma-monetize. Okay? So sinundan ko po yung mga way. Nandito ba yung nagtatanong kanina? Wala pa. Okay? So, later yung questions, ano. So, yan, yung ilan sa mga, tapos ito rin, si Mimi, si Twisi Mimi, ng South Africa. Okay, so, tinanong ko rin siya, ito pong pinakangkanan. So, sa ngayon, kumikita na siya ng around $100 to $200 per live. According to her, kumita siya ng about $700 in 3 hours doing the live. Okay? But of course, it takes time. Like in Facebook, actually in Facebook, it takes about more than a year to become a star streamer or to become a monetized. Okay. So here, it depends on your effort and engagement, and also with the endorsement of with a fellow star streamer. That's why you need to engage with those star streamers. Okay. So be a star streamer and start receiving gifts. So when you become a star streamer, you can see here, you can click on the live and you can see it on the Hall of Fame. So I was excited and unable to speak when I noticed that my name is already on the Hall of Fame. Okay. So when your name is already on the Hall of Fame, it means to say you already monetized. So being monetized, so all those with the stars here, there's some with yellow star, there's a blue star, there's a difference between the two. Yellow star, mostly they are the one creating content. Okay, they are the one teaching. Like this one, the one that we are doing right now, we are teaching about Unilive. So you can also teach whatever niche you want, or maybe the things that you are familiar of. Okay, maybe you like cooking, or maybe you like singing, you like dancing, you can do those things. And later on, uh, that's some of the key ingredients that you can use so that you can be a star streamer. Okay, and by the way, the Blue Star, they are monetized in terms of their production in the business side. Because as you can see, when you join Unilive, it's free, 100% free. It's like Facebook, it's like TikTok, it's like YouTube, it's free to join. So here in Unilive, it's also free to join. You just need an email and your password. Just remember your password in your email. You can register, you can download the application. So when you become a star streamer, you can earn like this one. Okay. Sometimes there is $10, but as you can see, this is account of Sir Prince. 736 UNX. Okay, the UNX, the value is increasing. It's like Bitcoin. Okay, so the other one is here. So like me, it's me here. So I received some gifts from the people that I don't really know. Okay, they are the members inside. I said Stang 2 minus 111. So I don't know him. He just come in and give me gifts. And yeah, those gifts is convertible to US dollar. So like this one, it's $20, but it comes with about 2,000 UNX. So again, this is the one from Sir Prince. So I just use it for now. Okay. But also take note, when you become a star streamer, it doesn't mean to say that you always get you always you always get these gifts. Sometimes you don't get anything at all. Okay, it's an active one. Okay. So, but just keep going. Every other day you receive, especially when the people withdraw their when they staking part, when they withdraw, because you are part of the of the recipient of 5%, the tip or the tax. When the person withdraw, okay, pag nag-withdraw po sila, yung kita na yon, may 5% yon para ma-withdraw mo yung kita, 5% na tip, ibibigay nyo doon sa mga star streamer. So pili lang kayo, yung mga taga dito sa atin sa Pilipinas, nandito po ako, pwede nyo i-message, andyan si Sir Prince, or you can select any of the star streamer inside. The one that I mentioned, Mimi, or Alex, or Alex, or anyone inside the Unilive. Okay? Then, yeah, it's taking rewards. So here, you can start with this one. This is the saying rewards. Okay, you can put as many as you want because there is only a time frame. This is not unlimited. There is only a time window that the staking will be available. Okay, once after the project is done, so they will remove the staking, so you can just buy and sell. You can just buy and sell UNX. It's like Bitcoin. You just buy when it's low, you sell it when it's high. It's like spot trading. Okay, once the staking part is done. That's why take advantage of the staking part while it's still here because you will be earning more tokens and the token is growing in value. Okay, so like in my case, I started with $100. Then after a month doing this one, I already have more than 300 plus dollar in my account. Okay. So here is the staking reward. I mean the staking you can select from the 30 days, the minimum of $100, and it will give you about 12%. Kaya makikita nyo dito, 144%, this is annual. When you break it down to 1 month, so it's 12%. Kung mayroon ka namang $1,000, so you have two options. You can select 90 days or 30 days. Pag sinelect mo yung 90 days, 15% monthly ka. Pero take note, ibibigay po yan every 8 hours daily, 3 times a day. So pag mayroon ka naman $3,000, you have three options. Pwede mo lagay sa 180 days, sa 90 days, or 30 days. Okay? But much better if you put it that into 180 days kasi 19% per month. Then pag mayroon kang $5,000, so you have four options. Pwede sa 360, pwede sa 180, pwede sa 90, pwede sa 30 days. Ba, may 5,000 ka, tapos gusto ko lang subukan muna or I need that money the following month. O di ilagay mo lang sa 30 days. Kaya lang, 12% lang yun. Okay? Don't expect that it will be 25%. It will be 12% pag sa 30 days mo siya. Pero pag nilagay mo siya sa 360 days, it will be 25% monthly. So it means to say, in 360 days, that will be 4 months, then you are able to recover your capital. Okay? So, yun po. Then, okay, katulad po nito, Sir Prince, ang ating 01, nag-start siya sa $200. Then after 3 months, already $3,000. Okay? So, personal staking po yan. From 200 to 3,000 in 3 months. Ano lang siya, naro-roll over niya lang siya. Pwede mo i-compound. Then, as you can see here, katulad nito, meron siyang 5,000 tokens. O, itong account na to may 5,000 UNX. So, nilagay ito sa 90 days. Ayan. So, ang total na income nito, 232.35 UNX. So, ang gandahan po, yung UNX po yan, tumataas po ang value niyan. So, ito naman, 470. Hindi ko pala nakikita, no? 470. Or 750, sorry. For 750, then, ang kita naman ito ay 2137. Okay? So, yan po. Yan po yung ilan sa mga nag-stake na. Okay? Ito, yung isa sa mga nag-stake po sa ibang bansa, sa US. So, 21,000 and 360 days. So, this is more than, this is around $6,000. Okay? $6,000 and earning 25% monthly. So, ito po yung daily niya. Every 8 hours, 56 UNX. So, pataas pa ng pataas yan. So, it keeps on. Kumbaga, pataas pa ng pataas ang value. Okay po. So, ito naman, ayan. Ito, nagdagdag na pala siya. So, ito, 231 UNX, that is about $60 per day nung nakaraang price ng UNX. Pero since pataas siya, mas malaki pa siya. Tapos may ginawa tayong calculation ito, pwede nyo itong i-compute. Halimbawa, naglagay kayo sa 1,100, 110. So it means to say, itong 110 na to, makakabili ka 423 sa pag ang presyo ay 0.26. So this is variable. So ngayon, ito nakalagay na rin dito, yung tip or yung tax na ibibigay mo. Okay, yung tax na ibibigay mo, ito, 2.54. Ibibigay mo po yan sa mga star streamer. Okay? So, pag dito ka nagsimula, pag 1,000 naman, ito naman ay magmamonthly na 579 UNX. So, pwede ka naman, yung tip naman ay ibibigay mo ay 28.99. Okay? Kaya mas maganda po na pagsikapan natin na maging star streamer kasi makakasama tayo sa mabibigyan ng tip or ng tax. Okay? Yung tax hindi napupunta sa company, napupunta yun sa mga star streamer. Kaya nagkakaroon ng transaction sa loob. Kaya yung sinusuportahan niya yung paglago, bagay yung mga transaction na nagaganap sa loob ng Unilive, ng Unimex. Okay? So ito, mayroon na rin itong daily, nilagay ko na rin dyan. Pag yung 100, ito 30 days, papatak lang po ng 0.44 daily. So papansinin nyo, mas maliit yan compared doon sa mabilisang tumakbo. Okay? So this is much better than those who are short-term projects. Nakawawa naman yung mga bandang dulo. Ito po ay pang matagalan. Kaya kung nagtatanong kayo kung hanggang kailan, tanong niyo po kung hanggang kailan mag-i-stay ang YouTube or ang TikTok or ang Facebook. Kasi ganun din po mag-i-stay ang Unilive. Okay? So ito, mayroon din tayong level up or pwede rin tayong mag-level up sa paggawa po na business side. Okay? Kung gagawin natin ng business side, yun, lahat na nag-stake, simula po sa U0. Ibig sabihin, yun po yung nilagay natin kanina, kung ano yung pinili mo doon, yun lang yung kita mo. Pero pag nagkaroon ka ng 200 na personal, tapos 10,000 na UNX, ibig sabihin, 20% ka na sa production ng buong grupo. Yung kita nila, sa kita lang po hindi doon sa nilatag. Okay? Sa kita. Kasi sa lahat ng na-refer mo dito, alba, may na-refer ka, nag-stake siya, ito maganda. Ba, may na-refer ka. Tapos yung na-refer mo, dapat nakapag-stake ka na rin. Okay, yung na-refer mo, kumuha ng 30 days. Ibig sabihin, 30 days ka rin kikita. Pag yung na-refer mo naman, kumuha ng 360. O 360 days ka rin kikita. 15% nung kita niya. O magkano man yung kinikita niya, 15% po noon yung kikitain mo. I-divide din po yun sa 360 days. Okay, sa ibibigay sa yun every 8 hours din. Okay? So, yan. So, ito, higher level. Okay? Then, ito yung pinaka-breakdown yan para mabilis. Para maging U1, kailangan mo ng 200 at saka 10,000 na production sa buong grupo. Hindi kasama yung personal. Pag yung U2 naman, kailangan mo ng 500 tapos 25,000 yung sa grupo mo na UNX. Then, sa U3, 1,000 ang personal. Then, 75,000 sa grupo mo naman. Tatlo po. Take note, tatlo. Tapos sa U4, 3,000. Tapos tatlo naman na U3. Okay? Kaya dito mas maganda, pili ka na ng tatlo o hanggang lima na susuportahan mo na mag-level up. Okay? Okay po. So ito naman ay U5. Okay, sa U5, kukundi pa lang po ang U5. Yung kakilala natin na U5, kumikita po siya ng $6,000 every week. Okay? Yung kakilala po natin na U5. Ito naman ay may product na 700,000 UNX. Tapos, katatapos lang po ng first anniversary. Ito, hindi nga lang tayo nakasama. Dito po ginanap sa dito po ginanap sa Unilive Unimex Digital Power Summit sa Singapore po 'yan. Sa anong tawag din mga yung sikat na ano? Ha? Hindi. Yung basta yung sikat na ano, nakalimutan ko yung pangalan. Mandela Bay ba yun? Basta yun po yung sikat na ha? Sa Singapore. Singapore? Yon, Marina Bay po. Sorry po, ano, hindi tayo pamilyar. Hindi kasi tayo nakasama. So ito yung event sa Singapore. Ito may event mismo. Pwede natin i-check yan sa Marina Bay. Tapos kung saan nag-stay yung mga guest, yung mga ano po dito po sa Hilton Hotel. Thank you very much. Angelina 5, Paisiba, okay? So yung mga nasa ano po, yung mga nasa Unilive, naka-live ngayon, kung mayroon kayong account, pasok kayo sa Unilive kasi mayroon tayong red packet. Okay? Yung red packet po, that's a gift na ibinibigay sa mga viewers. Kaya participate kayo, din nararaffle yan ng system. Tapos yung gift mo na yon, pwede nyo ipunin. Pag naipon nyo po, kino-convert po yan sa US dollar. Okay? Kaya maganda po dito sa Unilive, nanonood ka lang ng mga live, katulad po nito, mayroon kang marireceive na regalo. Okay? Please follow. Okay. Coach Rick, thank you very much for joining. Coach Dwayne, thank you very much for joining the live. Maraming salamat po. Okay? So, ito po yung pinaganapan ng event. Ayan. Tapos ito po yung mga representative ng Team Philippines. Okay? Sa Upline Prince, sila Kaplui, at saka hindi ko pa familiar yung iba, no? Tapos ito naman po ang ating Grand Upline Prince. Ito po si Up Jason, yung may hawak ng Philippine flag dito sa kaliwa. Ayan. Tapos ito yung sa event. Then ito naman po kasama ni Upline Prince, si Ma'am Christy, yung isa sa mga officer din po siya. Then ito po yung isa sa mga developer, si Jackie. Okay? Kaibigan po yan ng isa sa milyonaryo dito sa Pilipinas. Okay? Then ito naman si Mr. Hunter, yung isa sa developer sa ecosystem ng Unilive. Then during the event, nung event po na yon, ito lang naman po yung mga nag-congratulate, yung mga sumusuporta sa Unimex and Unilive. Si OKX, ayan, siguro kilala natin si OKX. Si Bybit, ayan, andyan si Bybit. Yung iba, baka may account kayo dyan. TikTok Singapore. Then ito po si Gatbank. Sigat Bank po, isa sa mga bangko, crypto and fiat bank. Dito po nag-invest siya na about $10 million. Okay? So siya rin po nagpo-provide ng Visa card. Okay? So yun po yung kagandahan nito. Then, andyan din si JP Morgan Singapore. OKX Wallet, nabanggit na natin kanina. At pinakakilala, Binance. Okay? And yung ginanap po na event sa Kyrgyzstan, pinakamalaki po doon ay Binance. Ay sumunod po na event pagdating sa crypto world ay si Unilive at saka si Unimex. Okay? Then, ito naman po yung yan, wala pa pala. Ito pala yung opisina. Sa loob po yan ng opisina. At ito naman po ay ito po yung address. 65 Muhammad Sultan Road, Singapore. Ayan. Kaya kung nandun kayo sa malapit, bala ka nyo pumunta, puntahan nyo po yan. Ito po yung opisina. Ayan. Sa landmark, makikita nyo yan, SQ Collective or Gen I Labs. Ito po. Katabi lang siya ng Rolls Royce. I-play po natin. Play natin. Ayan. Pwede bang mag-play? Ayan, pwede. Panoorin mo po.
Rolls Royce.
Sa sila dyan.
AMG bro, steady.
Narinig po ba sa Zoom?
Now we are entering main office of Unilive. Oh, it's closed. Oh, they make it close because there's a laptop near.
Sarado pa, nagpunta sila.
Just try to take the photo here.
Yes.
Kaya natin magbukas. Tinatawag na po yung may hawak na susi.
Main office in Singapore.
Ito yung headquarters, Headquarters po yan.
We are in downstairs, but we cannot get
Ng,
access because nobody.
po, sa Singapore.
Why we are not here?
Because because a lot of people.
Forward natin ng konti. Pa dumating na yung resulte.
Christie's our
Ayan. Dito.
Oo, kalimutan.
Kasi, luhard na po natin. Ayan.
Okay.
Sila Plain Prince po ay Thank you, Alina.
Our tour guide.
Yes.
They don't sleep
Wow, really? That's the CMO.
already 3 days.
That's why she deserves $5,000 and more.
Yes, more than that, bro.
Yeah, maybe I can get 1 million.
In and down.
Oh my goodness!
Wow.
This is it!
Wow.
What can you say about Unilive, Mama? What can you say about Unilive, guys? What can you say about Unilive? No? Oh my goodness. Team, good afternoon, team. We are now here at the
Hello.
our headquarters.
Partners with partners.
Yeah. Alright.
Mga kapartners, yung mga logo na yan.
Partners and
Binance
Unilive.
soon to be partners.
Here in Singapore, actually, this is my second time being here, Mr. Hunter. Good afternoon.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon.
Yeah. The very. What can I say?
Very handsome.
Charismatic CEO. Yeah. Mr. Hunter here, the CEO. We're very kind and very approachable. Yeah.
And
Mr. Rico
Yeah.
from Philippines. Sir.
Yes.
Alright.
I think for you it's not the first time, for them it's the first time.
Yeah, first time.
Yeah.
First time.
This is all person.
First time.
Captain Louis.
Oh, nagpe-prepare pa sila merienda.
Tayo, makakasama rin tayo sa
Ano yung ano nila, anniversary.
Here become they join also the promotion. Or join during the promotion. So during the promotion period, I think they can I complete the rotation. This time around, I think Mr. Franklin from US, I think they are more or less ready to explore.
Let's go, baby. Yeah. Just take photos and bring.
He's always here. Here's the conference. And how the Korean team is inside. Just now, I think about an hour ago, the Ukraine Central Asian team just left. This is Mr. Harris room.
Hi, Lyra. Thank you for joining.
Wow, nice. Very nice. The VIP room. Alright?
Okay.
The VIP room. Alex is here. Kuya Rico.
Yeah.
Alright.
VIP room. VIP. Oh.
Guys, do you have any questions?
Yes, any question, please?
The CEO in person and Miss Christie is already here. You can ask anything under the moon.
I'm single.
Under the moon.
I think the Korean, hey, run away. She's just wants to go.
1,000x.
Let us show around, not so much, relax, take photo, whatever they want, then we sit down.
Team. Go inside. Team. Yeah. We bring all these memories and photos to Philippines. Alright.
Okay, so yan po yung headquarters, ano? So meron pong 50 offices worldwide ang Unimex, ang Unilive. Ito naman pong isa, ito po ay sa Vietnam. Okay? Itong sa kabila po, Vietnam, ito po si Updation. So panoorin po natin yung opisina naman ng Unilive sa Vietnam. Okay? Oh, mali, sumobra. Sorry. Tingnan natin saglit, maikli lang po ito. Kailangan niya magbukas sa loob. So, sa YouTube siya napunta. Sorry. Wala. Okay. Itang po nawala. Ayun. Okay. Ayaw lang mag-play po ito. Ito sana yung opisina sa Vietnam. Maganda po yan. Hindi ko lang alam kung bakit ayaw niya mag-play. So, sunod na lang po. Ano. So ngayon, ituloy natin yung discussion. Okay. Ano ba yung mayroon dito sa loob ng Unilive? Papansinin niyo po ito pag nag-login kayo, ito po yung nasa circle. Yan po yung mga applications na mayroon sa loob. Kumbaga yung mga project na mayroon si Unilive. Nandiyan po si OpenSea, nandiyan po si Unimex, nandiyan po ito po si Unimex, ito po yan, the world first TradeFi capital gravity field. Ito po ay exchange, okay? So ito po ay parang si Binance. Yan po yan. Kumbaga, meron tayong parang, in short, parang meron tayong Facebook na mayroong Binance inside. Okay? So yan po yung, ito po. Then, meron ding OpenAI, upcoming project po yan. Meron ding Unigames para dun sa mga mahihiling maglaro. Nasa trial mode yan. So, ongoing and development, later on, pwede na rin maglaro at kumita. Okay? Then, meron din tayo ngayon, ka-update lang, recently, meron tayong Unishop. Kaya yung mga naka-live po dito, yung makikita nyo sa aking live, mayroon ng shopping cart. Okay? Ibig sabihin, pag naka-live ka, makikita nila yung mga products dyan. Pag bumili sila, may commission na po kayo. So that's possible na become affiliate right away. Okay? Kaya hindi po ito yung tipong ano lang, pang overnight lang na ano, o short-term project. This is a long-term project. Okay po? So just imagine, lalo na pag nag-launch na po si Unishop ng the full scale. Kasi sa ngayon po, sisimulan po yan sa Vietnam. Itong mga products na to, then later on, it will be going global. Okay? So ganun po yung ano nito. Then, ito, Unilive is more than a social network. It's the next generation Web3 ecosystem that you earn money every day. So ano ba yung nasa loob ng Unilive? Ito na yung pinakita natin kanina. Yung app mismo, social media, then yung OpenSea, yung Unimax, yung Unishop, yung GameFi, Unicard, Unichain, and Unidex, and also yung ecosystem natin, hindi ko lang na-edit ito kanina, ano. Later, may nag-add tayo ng PK. Then, ito po ay may available tayong, itong Unilive natin, available na sa Android at saka sa iOS. Pwede mo na siyang i-download directly. Then, make sure pag pina-download nyo yung kausap nyo, ibigay nyo lang yung code nyo para nakakonect sila sa inyo. Then, meron tayong C-token for mining. Meron tayong UNX staking. Meron tayong direct video monetization at support ng iba't ibang languages. Tapos global launch on all region. Okay? So ngayon, hindi ko lang na ano po, ito, you can earn both active and passive income. Kung nabasa niyo po, ano? Ano ba yung active? Okay? Yung active, ito po, yung pagla-live video. So active income, kailangan natin ng active ng effort. Okay? Kailangan ng effort diyan. So engagement sa live video, kasi pag pumasok ka dun sa mga live video, may mga namimigay po ng gift. Okay? Pag pumasok ka rin doon sa multi-chat, meron din doon ng bibigayan. That's part of engagement. Pwede ka rin mabigyan. Kung makaupo ka doon sa chair, may chair po doon sa loob. Tapos, playing games. Ayan, para kumita ka sa playing games, maglalaro ka talaga. Live selling, parang yung kanina. Ito, may kung gusto mong ibenta yan, edi parang TikTok shop. Parang ganon. So, like, parang live selling siya. Then, yung pag-build ng network. Okay? Active siya. Pero ang kagandahan, kung magbi-build tayo ng network, okay, this is a, ano siya, pag nag-build ka ng network, i-share mo yung opportunity, i-share mo yung Unilive, later on, magkakaroon ka ng additional passive income. So itong mga to, itong mga active effort na yan, pwede kang magsimula sa zero, as in wala kang kita to even $200 daily. Okay? So ganyan po yung potential income sa active income dito sa loob ng Unilive. Then, yung passive income naman po, okay, yung passive income, ito pong mining, token mining. Pero ngayon, nakafocus tayo sa UNX staking. Kasi katulad sa staking, kahit hindi ka mag-live, mag-stake ka lang, pili ka doon sa mga term, 30 days, 90 days, 180 days, 360. Every 8 hours, papasok yung ikita mo. Kahit hindi ka nagla-live. Okay? So, explain po natin yan kasi yung iba, akala nila ay kailangan kang mag-live para kumita, hindi po. Pag naka-staking po kayo, kahit hindi kayo mag-live. Kagandahan naman po, pag sinama nyo tong building of network, tapos itong staking, yung business na to, okay, katulad ng ibang mga grand apply natin, kumikita sila ng more than $1,000 daily. Okay? Tinanong natin, dito po kasi wala masyadong nagpapakita ng kitaan na nasa stay. Ang sinishare lang nila, sinishare lang po natin yung mga kita dito sa pagla-live. Kaya mapansin, magkano nga nakikinita po dyan? Ano lang, $50 minsan, $100. Kaya ang tingin, ang liit naman. Pero hindi nila alam, lalo na yung mga Blue Star streamer, Ayan, kumikita po yun na malalaki. Okay? May kumikita ng almost more than this amount. So, kailangan natin makapag-build ng network, tapos makapag-staging tayo kung gusto nating malaki yung kikitain natin. And again, that's optional. Nasa sa inyo po yun. Kung gusto mo lang mag-live, gusto mo lang gamitin yung product or yung itong application na to, it's free. Kasi pwede mo itong gamitin sa ibang bagay, lalo na kung may binibenta ka, pwede mo siyang gamitin. Okay? So, yun po. So, yun po ay pwede yung gawin ng sabay din. Okay? Tapos, ang tanong, may kumita na ba dyan? Ito po. Yung ating 01 sa Pilipinas in 3 months time, ayun, nakabili na po ng sasakyan. So, yung iba, hindi na po natin sinama po pero kukolektahin pa natin just to give us an idea, katulad na nabanggit natin, mayroon pong kumikita ng almost $6,000 every week. So, dito po sa Unilive. Those are some of the potential. Pag sabihin, potential, mangyayari lang yun pag ginawa. Susundan natin yung ginawa nila, pwede rin mangyari sa atin. Kasi kumbaga, ibig sabihin na nauna na sila. Okay? Wala pong magic na pag-join mo, kikita ka agad. Wala pong ganon. Sisikapan mo. Papansinin niyo po kahit sa Facebook, pag naging monetize ka, pag monetize ka na, tapos wala kang ginawa, wala ka rin kumikitain. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin. So, ganun din dito. Kahit monetize ka na, kung hindi ka nagla-live, hindi ka gumagawa ng content mo, hindi ka nagtuturo, wala rin po kayong kikitain sa pagla-live. Okay? Unless pupunta ka dun sa mga sa mga namibigay ng red packet, pwede rin naman. Okay? So, kung gusto natin kumita ng malaki at saka ng passive income, take a look at the business side of it. Okay? So, yan po. Binibigyan tayo ng passive income ni Unilive. So, yun po yung mga information about to our guests and leaders. Welcome to Unilive. Team Philippines, let's go make it happen. Hi Lisa, thank you very much for joining the live broadcast. So, yan po yung information about Unilive and thank you very much. So, that's the short information. Then, mag-zoom pa rin tayo sa mga susunod. Every other day po may zoom tayo. Actually, almost every day. Then, may training din naman po tayo sa live. Then, dito, i-share ko sa inyo. Siguro, i-walkthrough natin, i-walkthrough na natin kayo sa Unilive itself sa mga hindi pa nakapag-install. Coach Mel, Coach Rick, Coach Win, thank you, thank you. Thank you po sa ito po, nakikita niyo sa live. May mga nagbibigay po ng gift. Okay? Malamang mag-withdraw po ito. Thank you very much. Ayun, si Mama Annabel pala. Thank you po, maraming salamat po. So, yan po yung mga information. Yan, thank you, Coach. Ayun, Coach Dwayne. So, i-share ko lang sa inyo, pwede natin, okay. So, i-share ko saglit itong, kumbaga, walkthrough. Then, gumawa na rin po ako ng mga tutorials para paano mag-register. Then, paano explore, yung paano mag-live. Hi, Lola. Thank you very much for joining the live broadcast. Tapos yun, mas maganda, i-greet nyo po yung lahat ng pumapasok sa inyong live. Logic, thank you very much for joining the live. So, Buonabuti. So, that's it.
May tanong ako, Coach Vic, para
Yes, Coach?
Example, magre-register ulit kami, bale sa'yo kami magko-connect. Nakapag-register ka na kami before kaya lang, although hindi katulad ng ginagawa mo, tapos magko-connect kami sa'yo, paano yun? Pwede ba yun na yung name din namin ulit? Or